Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to video number 2 for our Winter Wonderland YouTube hop. First of all, let me say thank you to Deborah Adams, which is a creative life here on YouTube, and Kimmy, which is Salty Beach Scrapper, for the invitation of joining this hop. I appreciate you ladies so very much. I also appreciate everyone that has visited and viewed and commented and liked my video, the first one, and thank you in advance for watching the second one. Guys, let me just give you a really quick recap on the rules for this hop. You must be 18 or over, and mine is open to US residents only. Winners may be selected from either video, first or second one. Of course, this is the second one. And of course, you have to subscribe, like, comment to be entered to win. And you must do this on each channel. The giveaway closes on Thursday, January 14th, 2021, and the winner will be announced Saturday, January 16th, 2021. So guys, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the announcements, because you don't know which channel or channels you might be a winner on. And you will have 72 hours to claim your prize. Also, you must have your channel visible so that we can verify that you are a subscriber. The announcement will be at 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, the 16th, 2021. Okay, guys, so that being said, again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. I really do. To my new subscribers, I hope you'll stick around and see what each one of us create for you. Okay, guys, so that being said, first of all, let me show you. I went ahead and used this paper collection again for my next project. So this matches, of course, the first one. And this is what I have made, guys. I have made a small planner, and this is actually for me, it's going to be a bucket list planner. So this is what I've done. Made a dangle for this bucket list planner, and I have put all kinds of beads in there, okay? And you know, they match the paper. And this little girl down here, I got her about 3 years ago. I was having a birthday challenge, and one of the girls, her name is Vanessa, she sent me a few of these little girls, and I just thought she was perfect for this little planner. So I have, I think, 3 more, and they are so adorable. She colored them, she shrinked them. Those are so cute. I just love her. So she was the perfect addition to this little planner. Okay, so on the cover, I have used a thick piece of acetate, and I have put this trim all the way around, and I put the word creates on there, and that is my cover. And I used my cinch to make this. So flip the cover, and this is the very first page that you see, of course, through the acetate. And right here, I put a couple of small pockets, just maybe for some notes or something. That has a pocket, and then this one also has a pocket. This pocket, it's just the corners, and I put this little guy in there, and then so it creates a pocket. There we go. Okay, that's my first page. Put a little bow on there with a little bling piece on there. Let me move it this way. And I cut her out. Well, I die cut an oval, and then I ink the edges, and then I put some blank pages in there. And those are just blank pages. And then on this page, these are the 6x6 cut aparts. I went ahead and cut them and used them in here. And then this is cardstock, thicker cardstock, and it's 110 pounds to make like little dividers. And then I put another pocket right there, and then another set of pages. And then right here in this one, I made a little folder and I put a snap on there. This folder opens up like this. It's got a couple of little pockets. There we go. That's just to show you that it's got pockets. And then I put a couple of corners on there just to decorate it a little bit. And then I put a calendar in the middle or on the right side of the page. And that just snaps closed. And it is laminated so that it'll, you know, hold up to all the opening and whatnot. This is another image of the little girl that I cut out. She's the one that's on the front cover. Cut her out, ink the edges, just cut another larger mat. And then some more blank pages. Okay. And then this one is another image. And I just put this little trim on the side just to dress up the page a little bit. And then this is another one. I could put a picture in here if I wanted to. And then this is another one of the pages, and then some more blank pages, and then another little girl. And then this one actually opens up. It opens up with a magnet. So there we go. It's got a couple of blank pages that I can use for pictures or whatever it is that I want. And it closes with a magnet. And then some blank pages. And then this is the back. And then another acetate for the back cover. So it'll, you know, hold up to all the wear and tear that I'm going to put on it. So guys, I'm going to zoom you back out. And I am going to show you my prize pack. So I was so excited. I just love it. So let me show you my prize pack. First of all, you will be receiving the Stamperia Lady Vagabond. And I know I hauled one of these in my design team package for ASC Crafts. And I thought she's so pretty. So I thought I would go ahead and give one of these away. It is 10 pages, double-sided pages. And I know I went through it with you guys. So if you saw that one, you know what all the pages look like. But aren't these beautiful? It even has a little cut apart page, like an ephemera page. So I went ahead and picked that one up. I went ahead and also got the decoupage rice paper. She is so pretty. Look at her. Oh my goodness. So I got you one of those. And then I also picked up the chipboard. It's got some really pretty pieces in here. And I just love this. Voyage to the New Frontier. You know, and then I don't know how many. So this one has 14 pieces. So that is also added there. And I got a package of 49 and Market wildflowers. And I thought that matched really well. Really well. And then I got a package of score tape. This is 3/8 of an inch. That is what I normally use when I make my projects and I need score tape. That's usually what I use, especially for the mini albums. So that is my prize package for this giveaway. Guys, don't forget to be a visible subscriber, leave a comment, and like and hit that like button on all the videos so that you are entered into the giveaway. And when I go verify that, it's easy to do because your channel is visible. All right guys, that is my this is my project and this is my package to you guys. Again, thank you so very much for coming in to watch the second video on this Winter Wonderland hop. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a good day.